Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing one focused Google sheet. Name it with the campaign ID so tracking is simple. Next, create columns for contact data, lead name, email, company, source, status, notes, and freeze the header row so entries stay visible. Once done, set sharing to specific editors not public. Make sure collaborators have edit access only when needed. Finally, enable version history. This protects against accidental overwrites and gives you a rollback point if data quality issues appear. Once your sheet structure is ready, enrich and automate. Use ImportXML, built-in connectors, or an API via Apps script to pull company, role, and social links into columns. This saves manual lookup. Make data validation rules and drop-downs for status, source, and priority so entries stay consistent. Then build Zap or Apps script automations to push new leads from forms or landing pages into the sheet. Set triggers to tag fresh leads and notify you via email. To finish, structure follow-up. Add columns for next contact date, outcome, and assigned rep, then create canned message templates you can copy into Gmail. Once follow-ups are in place, use filters, pivot tables, and charts to monitor pipeline velocity and conversion rates. This guides prioritization. If things go wrong, first check automation triggers, API quotas, and sharing permissions. These are the usual culprits. If a script fails, view execution logs and revert to the last good version. Then run a small test batch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.